If you're starting a YouTube channel or making YouTube videos, one tip of advice I could give you: don't tell your friends. Your friends, your family, they're not the audience that you're going after. Your audience is going to be worldwide. And I know that you're afraid. You're afraid of what your family's going to say. Your friends, your coworkers, your associates at different groups that you belong to. But when you boil it down, they're not the ones that your videos are going to be made for. Your videos are going to be made to connect with the greater population, with those that need to hear your message, not just in your own local area. Look at the guidelines that YouTube sets itself. They're looking for you to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and they're looking for you to have over 4,000 watch hours. All of that is not going to occur just from your friends, family, and associates. Those views are going to come from other individuals. And those other individuals, if we thought about it, if you're in the United States or Canada and you have a particular hobby that you like to do, frisbee golf or woodworking, and you have one individual in every state that follows your videos, somebody that you've never met before, well, now you have a multiplier of people that are subscribing to your channel. 2 in each city, 3 in each city. You see what I'm doing here. And you may never run into these individuals face to face. Yet they are the ones that are looking for the content that you have, especially when you're starting this after 50 years old. Your experience that you have, your perspective that you have, the road that you've already traveled, shall we say, is going to be very, very powerful for those that are going to be tuning in to your messages. When you first get ready to start, it's going to be nerve-wracking. I created a video about that. You can watch it as well, where I talk about the fear that's going to come up. And most of that fear of the unknown, is going to occur here, not out there in the world. The average person doesn't care if you have a YouTube channel or not. Yet there's a core group that's looking for your information, that has the same interests that you do, that will want to watch your videos and connect. And because they're in the same interest level that you are, they're not going to be as judgmental. Those that know us are going to be looking for little things that they can point out. And a lot of times it's because they themselves are jealous. They're jealous that you're actually taking action and that they didn't do so themselves. So how are you going to find your audience? Well, this is where we put the power of YouTube and the technology to work on our behalf. When you post a video, there's going to be some key information that's included in the video that's going to let the world know what your topic is about. The first place that they're going to get this information is going to be your title. Your title of the video is going to give a brief glimpse into the information that you're going to share within the video. There's also a description field that is asked for on every single video. And you have an ability within that description to share information about the video, to give a synopsis, to give some of the key points that you're going to be covering. Some of these key points will occur in the form of keywords. YouTube and the Google search engine that backs it up are looking for keywords and key phrases so that they know this particular video is about this particular subject. So when you are writing your description, when you're including keywords, you have the ability to tell the world what your video is about. Another way that you're going to do this in your video is the actual content of your video. You don't want the title and the description to be about one subject and then the video itself to be about something completely different. YouTube has the ability to look at the transcription of the video and be able to tell what the video is about. And by doing so, they will be able to go through and match the information with your tags, with your keywords, with your description, and with your title. This information will be compiled into what's called the algorithm, the mathematical calculation that they use to make a determination of what videos they are going to show. Now let's talk about it from YouTube's perspective. YouTube wants to make sure that their viewers stay on the YouTube channel, that they don't go off and pick up TikTok, that they don't start browsing on Facebook, that they don't decide to start watching a Netflix movie. They want to keep people on YouTube. And your ability to create a video that shows the information that people are searching for and then have those individuals actually watch the video. YouTube is going to look for watch time, and they want to make sure that folks stay on the videos for a longer period of time. Part of this also helps YouTube in being able to show ads within the video. You, at some point, might be able to benefit from what's called monetization of the ads. Because they've shown an ad in your video, then you have an opportunity to collect a portion of that ad revenue that YouTube is getting. But YouTube's gonna make sure that your video is watchable, that your video matches what was in the title, what was in the description, what was in the keywords. This is how the engine actually works. It has very little dependency on what your friends, what your family, what your acquaintances, what your coworkers have to say about your video. They are barely going to make an impact. And that's why you need to follow the rules of the system, follow the rules of YouTube, and also take my advice. When you have a channel, especially when you're getting started, there's no need to tell anyone. Let the computer, let the system, let YouTube help you out in sharing the valuable message that you have to share with the world, the perspective that you have to give. Now, one place you can share about your channel is in the comments, because that will let other individuals that are thinking about starting a channel, it'll let them know that there are other channels that are out there, that there are other individuals that are 50 plus that took the time, hit the record button, and actually got up and running. They took the advice, they ignored their fears, false evidence appearing real. They hit the record button, they uploaded, and they got going. Are you going to be part of that group? Let us know in the comments before. And if this has been helpful, leave a comment, hit like on this video, hit subscribe, and until the next video, make it a great day.